This is Jennifer Ballou reporting from the North Pole, and I am interviewing Connor the elf.
Not oh.
If you had any message, what would you say?
An airplane.
He would say an airplane. What would you tell Santa?
Airplane. Airplane.
Airplane again.
Flies with the green eyes.
Oh, flies with the green eyes. Do you have a message for the children?
Yes.
What's that?
Airplane.
At least we're consistent here at the North Pole with Mr. M&M Sky. Thank you, M&M Sky. Could you say Merry Christmas to the children?
Merry Christmas. What's your favorite Christmas present? Airplane. Airplane again.